Yo, it's me again. Another really quick video update. This ain't gonna be long. Just a case update of what I've done. Put a 120mm fan on the side today. I know it's big, I know that. But I've screwed it down, Loris. I've screwed it on, and it's actually better anyway. It's over the hole, but not all of it. But it still works. It's still getting a bit of fresh air. Most of it's like some of it's over the hole, as you can see. See it there, going across there. So, another thing I've done, I've put the fan down there, that black one, blowing straight across. Let me show you. I'm blowing that right across there, straight onto the card, straight across the card. One on the back was there before. That was there before. I've cable tied it a bit. Who kept telling me to do it? I can't remember his name. Someone kept telling me to cable tie it on MSN and Bieber and that, so I took his advice and did it all today. And another cable tie there. The back of the case is messed up. I've shoved it all around the back, so basically a video for him really. I was just going to show him what I've done. Now it's cable tied. And I've done this to the front as well. Put an 80mm fan there, or are they 60? I'm not sure, I can't remember. I've got another one behind that as well. That's where another 2 DVD drives can go, but I just put the fans there. I thought they looked quite cool. And this is just my floppy drive. Isn't in there because I don't need floppy. This is just cold cathode switch, like that. And then that is actually open for the 120mm fan to blow straight in on the graphics card. Because that goes through there, that enters the graphics card, you see. Cold cathode drive. That's about it really, that's all I just wanted to show you. Everything else is the same, screens are the same. Yeah, everything's the same. So yeah, 120mm fan with most of it over the hole, sort of blowing onto over the CPU. But I could take it off and sort of point it that way a bit, like take the side off. No, that's okay. I've got one blade across the graphics card. That chucking it all out the back. This one, that cool little wind tunnel. Got another wind tunnel there. I took all the PCI. Knocked all these out down here, see my finger is there. Took all them out, so that fan can just kick it straight out them holes if needs be. I don't really have all that blocked up, so I took all them out. So yeah, I'm pleased with it at the minute. It's very spacious. That cold cathode doesn't really work down there, does it? But oh well, I can't be asked to move it now. Can't. Oh fuck it. Oh well, you say I know. Be alright there for a bit. And that's about it. Cheers. Thanks for watching anyway.